Despite recent weather-related challenges, work on the replacement Bonner Bridge project continues to progress, with approximately 65% of the project having been completed. With nearly a mile of the bridge's northern approach completed, crews at the northern end of the project are closing the distance from the northern landing to the work underway at what will be the bridge's northern incline, where crews have poured the first 3 of 14 footings and continue pile driving efforts. On the waters of the navigation zone, crews are rapidly constructing the supports and pier tables that will form the second half of the bridge's navigation zone. As work on and above the waters of the navigation zone progresses through May, mariners in the area should expect periodical closures of the Marine Navigation Channel for a period lasting up to 2 hours, pending advance notice from the Coast Guard and NCDOT. An updated list of these closures can be found at www.ncdot.gov/NC12. South of the navigation zone, crews are steadily installing the columns and caps that will support some of the bridge's longest and heaviest collection of girders for the bridge's southern incline. While on land, all of the pilings and footings have been installed, with crews now focusing their efforts on the installation of the remaining columns and caps, before work to install the remaining land-based girders is to begin. At the site of the newly completed Captain Richard Etheridge Bridge on Pea Island, crews have completely removed the support structure of the former Lego Bridge and have begun installing a protective rock barrier around the new bridge's northern and southern approaches. NCDOT urges motorists in these areas to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, and watch signs for construction information and lane closures. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC12 Monday through Friday. One lane will remain open during these lane closures. However, motorists should allow extra travel time. Occasional nighttime road closures lasting up to 30 minutes may be necessary for deliveries and movement of construction materials. NCDOT will provide advance notice of these road closures via various online and social media resources, as well as its travel information management system at www.drivenc.gov. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's local notice to mariners, broadcast notice to mariners, and marine safety information bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge and Pea Island Interim Bridge construction projects, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.